Hello everybody! Do you remember this beautiful blue flower? In this video I'll use it as a centerpiece in a project I've been thinking about for quite some time. These two are simple flowers that I previously presented in the first flower video for beginners. I put cards on the screen for all these flowers and you can check the number 3 flower from that video. Then we have these 7 flowers that you may already know. They are easy to make, so you shouldn't have any trouble with them, and be sure to make them in different shades of your main color. Now, since I have an idea of how I wanted everything to look like in the end, I introduced a different shape to give an airy feel to the whole project. I'm making some swirls, and by now you should know these as well. Just strips glued at one end, which I will swirl to one side using my tweezers. After I let go, I pull each strip at a time, trying to get every one of them to approximately the same distance one from another. At the end, I secure the shape in place by applying glue on every strip in the same spot. If necessary, and in my case it was, I will cut the excess. I made quite a few of these because I wanted to have different models to choose from. I chose a discreetly shiny silvery background to give my creation an icy aspect, since the other colors also match the cold season with different tones of blue, but also some yellow because we need to have a contrasting color too. Now we can start arranging everything together in the pattern that I had in mind. That said, note that I didn't base this project on something specific, I just had an idea as to what I wanted it to look like. As usual, I tried a lot of patterns first before gluing everything together. Little by little you see something nice developing here, but feel free to use your imagination and skills to arrange the elements in other ways. Try to have that symmetry I am always telling you about, because it would look good to the eye and will give your creation a neat and tidy feel. With the pattern done, everything was glued in place, and that's it. Make sure you don't leave any ugly glue traces because they will be very visible. Hope you liked today's video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. This video was inspired by that beautiful blue center flower which I had lying around, and together with some other flower shapes I had at hand, I really think I created something beautiful. If you do decide to try this project, make sure the cardboard that you choose as a background complements your colors well and does not overpower them. You want your flowers to pop, not the background. You'll also need a bit of patience for the swirls, especially if you decide to make a lot of them, like I have done here. Then it's just up to your imagination to make the composition and you'll surely have a masterpiece. See you next time! Happy holidays to all of you! Take care!